Hello everyone! This video is on the cell conlang. This video will be following along with the Language Words and Naming Schemes document. This document can be found pinned in the Language Stuff channel of the Discord server. So starting from the top of the document, we have the word ude, which means I. From this, we will basically be changing the suffix of the next words. So, in the next example, we leave the E, but we add DAH, which is udeda, and that means I am. For the word after that, since its suffix is ike, so the word itself is pronounced udike, which means I will. Udime means I have, udeshe means I can, udikeska means I was. In general, any word that has time in it, respectively past tense, future tense, or present tense, like am doing something, will do something, have done something, will have a specific procedure to create it. In this conlang, these time-specific words must be used with a subject. If we use them without attachment to a subject, then they have a different meaning. The suffix for the present tense term am, like I am doing something, is da. The suffix for future I will do something is made by dropping the last vowel of the root word, which in the case of saying I will, we will drop the e on the word ude and add future tense addition of ike to make the word that means I will, udike. For past tense or present tense with the term have, like I have this or I have done that, we will do a similar process for the present tense where you will drop the e and add ime, meaning I have. For future tense, you do not have to drop the last vowel and instead only have to add on to the root word. For the term can, as in I can do something, we will add she on the end to say I can or udeshe. For past tense, we will use the term was, as in I was doing something. In this case, for past tense, we will drop the last vowel of the root word and add ikeska to make the word udikeska for I was or I was doing something. This process is repeated into with the words where the subject is you instead of I. So, ume meaning you, umeda meaning you are, umike meaning you will, umime meaning you have, umeshe meaning you can, and umikeska meaning you were. For questions, we will be changing the root word order. What was once the suffix will now become the prefix. An example is the word umeda, which means you are. To ask, are you, we will have to take the added suffix da and replace it as the prefix to make the word daume, which means are you. Special exceptions are made for words that have dropped the last vowel of the root word. An example is using the word umike, which means you will. If we want to ask, will you, we will drop the I at the beginning of ike and drop the e at the end of ike. Then move it from being a suffix to a prefix. The root word will also gain back its lost vowel, so that umike will become kume. There are a group of words that are immune to the rule of dropping the last root vowel and replacing it with I. These are the words based off of the two pronouns he and she. Going down the list, there's han, meaning he, handa, meaning he is, hanike, meaning he will, hanime, meaning he has, hanikeska, meaning he was, hana, meaning she, hanada, meaning she is, hanaike, meaning she will, hanaime, meaning she has, and hanaikeska, meaning she was.